What's good? What's good? What's good, guys? Kingsley Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live, and I got about 3 trades. Right, I got about 3 different trades to put in on my accounts right now, and right now I'm just setting up AUD USD right now, currently. Right now in the middle of, it just broke structure on the 1 hour. Just a little easy breakdown here. AUD USD, we're down structure on the monthly. All right, weekly, we are up structure on the weekly. Daily, we are down structure because you have the break of structure right here. So we're down structure. So monthly is down, week is up, daily is down. That's 2 downs. And now the 4 hour is also down structure as well. This long down impulsing trend down here. And this is the break of structure point for the 4 hour, which you could clearly see it's not going to break structure anytime soon. And we have the 20 MA meeting up with price. So we're looking to go down, 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 down on 1 hour. And we just got that break of structure, right? Now, what I'll do now is finish this up. All right, boom. Okay. I don't need this anymore. Finish this up and get moving on the putting these trades in. I'll show you the other trades after I'm done here. I just gotta line everything together here. Right now I'm just getting my measurement for that level, which I'm gonna delete my trade setup if it touches this alert. Delete Robin Trap now. Save that alert right there on AUD USD. And then what I'm going to do next is pull this down. 62 is what we got. So you always make sure you're aligned, the high is aligned correctly, the low is correct, and then these numbers will be solid on the system here. All right. Then I'm gonna take another short position, and this is that'll be my Robin Trap right here. This is my Robin Trap entry. Oh, let me fix that. Boom. And I can even line that up like that. Entry is stopping 909. Last 3 digits. Target stop be 662. And then stop loss. Stop be 38. And that'll be a 13 pip stop loss we got on AUD USD. All right. And this will be the setup right here. So really quick, I'm going to enter this trade and now I'm going to show you the other trades. But I got to enter this and call it out of my signals room right now. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we just put in this trade right here. This is our entry, stop loss, target. We just wait for the price to come down and hit our entry and let the games begin. That's AUD USD. Next, this pair, we're waiting for the 4-hour to break structure, and then we'll all be risking the 1% to make 2% on GBP USD. So I ain't gonna get too in debt with that one because there's other things I need to put in. This is a breaker structures that happen. I'm waiting for 4 L's or a big win out on that one. So yeah, we're just chilling. All right, this pair. Actually, I want to get involved. Yeah, because we have 3 wins. All right, so we have a win and then 1, 2, 3 losses. I usually wait for 4, but this is the big deal breaker. Is it all be a 4th one or is it all be a big win? So let's go for it. And that is 59 pips. 59 pips. Nice trade. All right. You know what I'm going to do? I'll pause it. And all right. Just put in that trade right there. So waiting for that sell. Bitcoin. We're just waiting for, continuation. But it looks like it's all break that 1 hour structure right there. Not really trading it, by the way. Risking 1% to make 2% here if we break that 4-hour breaker structure. And that will also break the daily structure too as well. And, things will go down as we continue. Risking 1% because we had the big win. And then we had a 0.5% loss here. These are irrelevant. And then, we're waiting for the next valid setup. And you'll risk that with 1% to make the 2% back. And I am looking forward to this trade. I am. Because probabilities wise, we had the big win here, 2 losses in a row, then 3, and then we had a big win. So big win, 1 loss. Or did I get a second loss like this pattern right here? Or did I get something like this when we have a big win, and then we have another big win next to it? Or a big win, and then another big win next to it. What do I see? It's those probabilities too, with the market structure, with all the facts and stuff. You gotta play a little game with it. That's a key right there. That's a key. 4-hour breaker structure is what we're looking for, and then we'd all be risking them 1% to make 2% because we had this big win, small, and then we had that 0.5 loss there. Now you risk 1% on the next valid setup. And already I have in this situation where we had a big win, loss here, similar to that, and are we getting our big win, or we just start getting our loss, and that'll be okay too. So that's mindful to be look out for, because you could say, "Oh no, skip this trade." And you can do that, and you just focus on what another pair. This is not a scenario. This is something I'm just looking to get this gap filled. And then do over here. So I have a different account that I'm doing this trade on, but this is not a Robin trap strategy. Like when this is finished, I'm not be deleting this because it's not part of the strategy. I'm just telling you that right now. But what's part of the strategy on Euro USD? Waiting for a 4-hour breaker structure. So we go to the 4-hour chart. So I'm basically looking for this thing to be the structure is to pull all the way down and break and hitting that TP by default, and it also activating a Robin trap scenario, right? That's what I'm waiting for. And that gap needs to be filled. It could take days, it could take weeks, but the gaps all need to be filled. So we'll see. This is my third setup that I want to take on USD CAD. All right, have it nice and set up properly here. Now this will be a 1%. So have a big win. Then those lost 2. Now this would be a 1% thing going on here, but I only know I'll risk 0.5 on this one because I made like 4% last month, and usually when I make 4% on my accounts, I go back. It doesn't matter where I'm at in the cycle. I'm puts the risk 1% here, but since I'm up. Let me just roll back and protect my profits, right? And do a 0.5 to make 1%, And if I lose it, okay, whoopie-doo, big deal. Then I'll be waiting for a 2 more losses in a row or a big win, another big win. But if I go back here in the past, had this big win right here, lost there, irrelevant. And then we had the big win right here in that scenario. And what led to this big win? Well, we had big win, loss, then big win, and then big win, doubled, and then you lost that one, and then you nailed that one. So this could be a loss. I gotta say, this could be a loss in probabilities wise, but it is straight up part of the strategy. I would not be risking this is why I'm not risking 1% on this trade, and I'm just be doing that 0.5. 0.5 risk here to make 1%. Why the hell not? Why the hell not? So I'll pause it and add these trades in right now. All right. And now that's set in, right? So we have that on USD CAD. We have USD JPY. And we have AUD USD. Speak of the devil right here. AUD USD. Right now prices go right there. And we're just chilling. We're waiting for this. Oh, yeah. So we put it on all the 500K in challenges, right? We put it on there, risking 0.5 to make 1% on each and every single one of the trades. And I called it in the signals room. There we go. All trades placed. Right there. And that's the pending orders. So the pending orders, they look like this, basically. This is AUD USD. Exactly what I'm looking for. Wait a minute, which is? It's not AUD USD. My bad. This is USD. Oh, USD JPY. Let's check it out. It looks like we got some movement. I'm like, yo, this thing is moving to my entry. So there we go. There we go. Movement, movement, movement. Looking to get enter. And for this trade, this is one of the 200K challenges. So I'm risking 0.5 to make 1%. So I'm risking 1,000 to make 1,900. So we're close to 2,000 basically. So this looks like it'll be the first one that sets everything off, right? We're not there yet, but let's see if we get there. Let's see if we can get a nice break along. And that would break daily structure right there. Our entry is basically daily structure. Bouncing off this 20 MA. See if we get a nice extension down. This would be the trade right here. Of course, we're not going to see it on this whole video now. Only got a couple more minutes left. But USD CAD chilling. AUD USD going the wrong way. Okay, chilling. Remember, it goes too far away to that yellow line. We deleting. This pair, we're waiting for that thing to break structure. Looks like it's going down just like the same way. Just like the same way USD JPY is going down right now. That would bring down GBP USD. And that would, not GBP JPY. That would break structure. It's definitely that'll bring down Euro JPY. We're about to break this 1 hour structure right now. And then we'll have a Robin trap situation. We're going to see what we get. Now, I got my double win here. Actually, on Euro USD, Euro JPY, we've been cooking. Win here. Irrelevant. Win there. Double win right there. With the double win, take that triple. You win all three of these. I didn't take this one, but it was still one. And then we lost there, and then you lost there. So you had a big win, loss. Okay. Now we need a third loss or a big win. But we're not getting involved. If I get a third loss, then I'll scroll back, see if we can take that fourth one, right? And if not so, if it's not going to be wise, we're going to let that fourth one go. Actually, let's look that up right now. Because it was the last losing streak. It was like, for example, perfect example, big win, 1-2 loss. So you won 0.5% loss, 1% loss. You skip this one, but it lost. Now you got 3 and a big win. Is it still be a big win or another small loss? You could take this one, and then you would have you would have killed it. You would have killed that trade, and then it won. So in this scenario, we have this scenario already, right? And then we had this big win there. After this win, you take this one, loss. Take this one, win. And then you take the next one, win, double win. Take this one, win. So you can. So this is the one you shouldn't have taken, but you took this one, win, boom. So in this case scenario, it would be smart and wise to wait for a fourth one and not take the third. So that's what we'll do there. But yeah, we're about to get things cooking on Euro JPY, and we'll see the results in the next video. All right. That's it for this one, guys. Peace.